Yes.
So my name is Raymond Christinson. I work for Fuji Capsule in Japan. Fuji Capsule is a contract manufacturer of soft gel capsules. We manufacture capsules for pharmaceutical industry, nutritional supplements, and also cosmetics. So Fuji is one of the oldest, or the oldest, soft gel manufacturer in Japan, and we specialize just in soft gel manufacturing. So our expertise and technology is mainly focused around the shell formulation, and we have a number of different technologies that we're presenting at different trade shows around the world and here at the conference now in San Francisco. For example, we have some enteric capsules which ensure that the capsules get through the stomach into the intestines, for example, with different ingredients to ensure that the ingredients is delivered to the right place. We also have what we call quick release technology, which is a normal soft gel capsule. Normally the capsules are designed to be swallowed and digested in the stomach, but this one, once you put it in your mouth, it will dissolve within a couple of seconds.
Wow.
So it's very good for example, oral care, throat care, drugs that you don't need to take water, you don't need to drink water to swallow the capsule.
Okay.
We also have a range of non-gelatin materials, so vegetable-derived ingredients for the shell, and we also have a 3-layered capsule which we use to encapsulate live probiotics. So this one has a enteric shell. We have an intermediate core, and then the live probiotics is encapsulated in the center, so they're very well protected from, for example, moisture in the encapsulation process.
And yesterday also you have told that you can also encapsulate oil.
That's correct.
But yes, not any watery medium.
Generally, soft capsules are used to encapsulate more oil liquids and are not very suitable for water-soluble ingredients. So we generally encapsulate oils such as omega oils and these kind of capsules, different vitamins, etc. But not generally water-soluble ingredients.
Okay. Can you tell us something about the clinical trials, the effort that your company has put in last 10-20 years with respect to clinical trials and...
Yep. So generally, being a contract manufacturer, most of the formulations and ingredients that we work with come from our clients, and even some of that is proprietary, owned by our clients. So we do not ourselves conduct much of the clinical trials with regards to the efficacy of the raw materials and ingredients. But we have an innovation center in Japan that looks at different developments in shell technology. So we do get a lot of requests to encapsulate certain materials that are best delivered in a soft gel, but generally maybe hard to encapsulate. So our team of chemists and scientists will look at formulating the shell to encapsulate that specific material.
Okay. So in Asia, where all you have been doing the business, any particular big market that you have?
So of course Japan is our biggest market at the moment. We work with all the Japanese domestic pharmaceutical companies, food companies, cosmetic companies. But over the past probably 4 to 5 years, we've been expanding our business outside of Japan, and we have clients now in Europe, the US, and our biggest market outside of Japan is probably Asia, Southeast Asia. So we have clients in Taiwan, Singapore, Philippines, Thailand, but we're slowly expanding and delivering or manufacturing for clients all around the world.
Okay. And do you have any other new technologies coming in other than the soft gel, or you're going to only expand in the soft gel contract manufacturing?
Yes, so the company concentrates just on soft gel development, but within that lineup we have recently developed more micro capsules which are under a millimeter in diameter, which can be used to encapsulate certain ingredients and, for example, flavors that can be then incorporated into other foods, pastes and ice creams and other different types of foods to enhance the flavor and deliver more nutritional ingredients.
Okay.
We're also continuing to develop our non-gelatin based materials. So we have carrageenan-free capsules now that we're
Using gel and gum?
using gel and gum,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
that we're promoting here in the US.
Okay. So I think you gave a very nice presentation, and I hope that you come to India and do a good business there, and hopefully with all the regulatory landscape clearance, I think this technology is here to stay. Yeah. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank
Thank
you
you. You're
from
welcome.
5 Pointers, and we really appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you.